Hello everyone, we are IPMI EMBA graduate students. My name is Ricky and this is my group mates, Pak Tommy, and this one is Pak Ardi. We are doing an assignment for corporate finance course under Professor H.M Sembel. We are presenting about Bank Aladin Syariah Tbk Bank IPO Event Analysis. We'll be covering about the company's background, IPO event, and then bank ratio analysis, Dupont Analysis, stock evaluation performance, valuation of the company, and then conclusion. We have, however, one more member, Pak Ruslan, will be this one. Okay, let's start. I will be covering about background of the company, PT Bank Aladin Syariah Tbk or Bank. Previously, PT Bank Net Syariah was established on 16 September 1994 under the name PT Bank Maybank Nusa International as a joint venture bank between Malaysia and Indonesia. The company is within financial sector and has changed the name several times in line with changes in share ownership. In 2019, the company changed its name to PT Bank Net Indonesia Syariah, which is engaged in foreign exchange Islamic commercial bank. As of 31 July 2020, the company had 28 employees. As of November 2021, product and services of the company under development for mobile application launched to public to be announced. As you can see within the slide, the period of Q4 2020, Q1 2021, Q2 2021, the income and net profit has been decreased over time. The next one is IPO event. The date of the company listed in IDX is 1 February 2021 with stock of 5 billion. The founder stock around 8 billion. Total registered share 31 billion with a total of 37.9%. The bid price back then is 103 rupiah with collected funds 515 billion rupiah. As you can see within the slide, there are name of shareholders such as PT NTI Global Indonesia, Bortol International Limited, the public which below 5%, and Kasai Universal Incorporated. As you can see the stock quantity, paid up capital, and the percentage. That's all for my part. The next one will be covered by Ardi.
Hello, I'm Ardi. Continuing the subject for Bank Aladin, we would like to discuss on the bank ratio analysis. This one, basically, overall, the financial ratios show that Bank Aladin is financially sound. They have capital adequacy rate way above their peer, the industry average, and in terms of profitability, despite that they don't show profitability just now, but based on the ROIC, it's showing the good numbers and above the industry average. One thing that we need to keep an eye on is on their NPF, the non-performing bank financing. It's because they're still below the standard set by government, but they're actually bigger than industry average. Next subject is on the Dupont analysis. So we're benchmarking PT Bank Aladin to its peers, which is Alo Bank Indonesia, Bank Agro Niaga, PT Bank Neo Commerce, Bank KB Bukopin, and PT Bank Panindupa Syariah. Overall, PT Bank Aladin is outperformed its peer in terms of returns of equity. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Ardi. So now we're entering the stock performance analysis. As you can see on this chart, bank stock has risen quite well. It made a huge amount of profit, and at the beginning of the IPO, the share price was actually only at 103 per share, and it pushed higher to reach the upper auto rejection, or what we call ARA, for several days. And the price was quickly touching the 3,900 level on the April 14th, 2001. So in about 1.5 months, the gain were significant. It gained about 3,689.41%, which was really phenomenal for a stock return. And the boost actually came from euphoria of the stocks, tech stock around the world. Some may even call it FOMO, fear of missing out. And after reaching that high, bank stock actually fluctuating, creating a swing low to 2,810 level before going back to test the high price, which now is resistant. And the price tested the 3,900 level again, but weren't able to break the resistance and quickly reversed to the downside and breaking the previous low to create another support. So if we see from the chart above, the RSI show that the stock's currently in the middle of the band, around 42.94, after reaching an oversold area around October 2021. And if the momentum actually came back, we could see the price testing the 2,800 level again, which was support actually turned to a resistance. And if we're able to break that level, we might see the share price testing the previous high, which is the 3,900 area. And the remarkable thing is the volume of the stock price is actually very thin. I mean, it was quite large at the beginning of the trading IPO, but now it's really thin. And we think it's because that a lot of investors still hold their stocks, because if you calculate from the IPO price 103 and the current price, let's say 2,480, it still gave a positive return of 2,307.77%. That's why I think a lot of investors still holding the stocks, because it gave still a huge amount of return. So for the next part, I'm heading into Pak Ruslan. Go ahead, Pak.
Valuation of the firm. We use price to book value approach, calculated by dividing the price of a share of stock by the book value per share. There are other methods, but due to the new listed company below than 1 year with limited information, so price to book value is the best approach. Price as a closing 5 November 2021 is about 24.30 rupiahs. Therefore, the stock price currently is around 29 higher than the book value from stock price in 5 November 2021. Conclusion and lesson learned. First, product and service still under development with launching date and details. This is need to be advised later. The second one is a bank ratio analysis better than average industry. Next, Dupont Analysis score better than average industry also. And then the stock performance at the beginning of trading were quite large but decreased slowly. Stock price reached the highest high of 3,900 rupiahs and fluctuated to decrease to 2,480 rupiahs. Next is price to book value considered 29 times higher. Therefore, the IPO success with many positives, but with some consideration need to wait more information until closing year in 2021.
Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget, please follow Instagram IPMI Campus, IPMI.alumni. IPMI Campus also have YouTube, you should check it. And this is presented by me, Ricky, Pak Ardi, Pak Tommy, and Pak Ruslan. Again, thank you especially for Professor Roy to develop us and teach us regarding corporate finance, and we hope you enjoy. Goodbye.